What's up, guys, and good afternoon from Siargao Island. You know, one of the things, boy, is it a bright day. One of the things, let me go over here in the shade a little bit. One of the things is you always got to look, excuse me, and see where, like, people are turning, going into different places and all that. We were up at Belly Burger, had me a burger this morning or this afternoon, and I keep seeing all these people going back this road here. Right, back this road, back this road, back this road. I'm like, well, what's back there? Let's check it out. So we are back here, and we are checking it out. I asked the guy that parked us, what's back here? And he said, a restaurant. So, but isn't this beautiful? Right off of Tourism Road. Oh, wow. Look at what. She's looking good, but beautiful, isn't this? Walking back in here. What's this? Siargao Beach Resort? I think it's Beach Resort. But isn't this nice? Very, very nice. Supposedly a restaurant back in here. People are decorating for Halloween. Yes, they kind of do celebrate Halloween here. But look at that guy, scary there. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's this? Siargao Beach Resort?
Siargao?
Beach Resort? What is this? What is this restaurant?
This is Siargao Beach Resorts.
Siargao Beach Resorts. Okay, I got it wrong. All right. Is it, so it's a resort restaurant?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Table for two?
You know what? I'm just looking. I always see people coming back here. So, curiosity, right? I wanted to see what's back here. It's cool to walk around. All right, cool. Let's, I have to take my shoes off?
Yes, sir, you
Required
can
to
wear
take
your
your shoes off. It's okay or no?
You can wear.
Oh, okay. All right. Look, you gonna look? No. All right. Wait, now, can you use the pool or no?
For now, yes, sir. Pool use is start 12 noon until 5 p.m.
With consumable or just?
Yeah, 1,000 per person, 500 is consumable for food and drinks.
So 1,000 consumable and 500
Yeah,
for
500
food and drinks.
Yes.
So, okay, cool. Thank you. So there it is. 1,000 pesos per person. 500 in consumables, and you can use the pool. You don't even need to. Hello, puppy. You don't even need to, but nice pool, huh? Nice pool. Nice view of the ocean. The restaurant. She told me I could walk around, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Couldn't even tell you how much these rooms are here. I imagine they're pretty up there. But isn't this beautiful, huh? There's your beach area. Very, very nice, guys. Very nice. Just being nosy. That's all I am. I'm being nosy. And then, like I said, you wonder how much the rooms are here. I'll have to look it up online. Anyways, I'm just going to walk through and everybody's going to look at me. Well, that's okay. You know, I don't mind. I don't mind. Very nice. There it is. I'll have to give it a try sometime, right? All right, thank you. All right. I don't know where look got off to. Look, kind of looks at me funny when I just roam around, right? Like, where are you going? What are you doing? But beautiful flowers, huh?
Yeah. Very pretty.
Beautiful
This
flowers.
is the first time I ever seen.
I've never seen one like that before, huh?
This kind of leaves can produce pink flowers.
Yeah. So,
I wonder.
are they real?
No,
Are these-
that's the flowers?
Are these real?
No,
These
it's
are-
the flowers.
That's real?
Yeah.
That's not fake.
No.
Wow.
This one. That's my first time I ever see this.
Wow.
I'm just wondering where can you get the seeds on this?
Good question. Good question. So there it is. Me being nosy and found out what it is. You wonder where the check-in is. I should ask him. Hang on. All right, so I asked the fine ladies here at the front desk if they could give me prices on rooms. All right, these are the holiday rates. October 25th, 2004 to November 3rd, 2024, December 10th to January 5th of 2025, and April 11th to the 20th of April. All right, here we go. Beachfront Villa. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's 23,000 pesos per night on a beachfront villa. You can also look at this up probably online. King Suite with a sea view, 19,500 pesos per night. This is a deluxe double with pool view, 18,500 pesos per night. And this is in their promos. King Suite, 17,500. Deluxe double, 17,000 pesos per night. Junior King, 14,000 per night. And that's about it. Now, she was just telling me the place is fully booked, right? Fully booked. And this isn't promo week, is it? Or is this promo? Is it right now promo or straight price? No, so it's fixed price. So fixed prices are even higher than the promos. So, and they're booked, so it's very, very popular. I'm not gonna go through that. People like bargains, right? People like bargains, but hey, it's a beautiful place. And for them to be booked, it says a lot. So, all right, thank you very much. So that kind of gives you an idea of what it costs to stay here. Can I walk? Is it okay to walk or no?
That way, sir, is for
Guests only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I'm not a guest. All right, thank you. It doesn't hurt to try, right? But very nice, huh? A little salty, but you're going to pay for creature comforts, all right? And you're going to pay for the area. The funny thing is, guys, like, I can walk, I don't know, 100 yards, not even that, 50 yards, and I'm up on the tourism road. So, all right, guys, there it is, just to give you an idea. Here's another thing I wanted to show you, too, as you can see over my shoulder. This is a new skate park here. It was just built. They have a sign right here. I'm going to try to read it to you. This is open to the public. There it is. They're still doing construction here, so I got to watch. It says, there you go. You can look while I read. Welcome to Cloud9 Skate Park. This public, free of charge skate park was established in 2024 by a dedicated team of local and international volunteers. It is open to all and dedicated team. All right, I'm sorry. It is open to all and here for everyone to enjoy. There it is. You guys can pause it and read it if you want. The Cloud9 Skateboard project was made possible through a collaboration between Olympic skateboarder Sky Brown, the local community of Siargao Island, and the international non-profit organization Make Life Skate Life. Additional to the contribution were made by I'm having a hard time reading that, guys. The glare from the but anyways, there it is. If you want to pause it and read it, the glare is too hard for me to read. But check it out. Isn't this just pretty cool? Check it out. Very nice. You know, we come by here a lot at night and everything like that, and it's full. Even when it's dark, it's full. This is brand new. I think it's neat. Gives the kids a place to come to do some skateboarding. Open to the public, free of charge. You guys see it. You guys see this. Just neat, huh? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty cool. What can you do, my friend? What can you do? Anything cool? What can you do? Anything good?
Yeah, good.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Anything good? Yeah. All right, let's see him do something. All right.
Hey,
how about you? Can you do something cool? What can you do? Nothing? I'm not a skateboarder. Well, yeah, I had the old plastic skateboard years ago. But it's just neat that the kids have somewhere to come, hang out, skateboard. I guess it's segueing into surfing. I don't know. Pretty neat, huh? Check this kid out, huh? This kid's going to town. There you go, my man. All right. He's good. All right, look at this little guy. Look at this little guy here. You gonna do it? You gonna do it? He's a little scared, I think. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Well, go for it. See, no helmets, no knee pads, no elbow pads, none of that. They make them tough here in the Philippines. They make them tough. I don't know if he'll go. As soon as I walk away, he'll go. Maybe he should go on a smaller hill. He's already looks. Oh, we have a wipeout. Wipeout. He's thinking about it. Or maybe I'm making him nervous. He's got a little cut on his chin already, so he must have fallen at one point. He's got to build up the courage. That's all it is. Bowl full of courage. I'm going to leave him go. Watch, he'll do it when I leave. Oh, 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 oh. Almost, almost. He's thinking about it. You got this, my man. You got this. You got it. Be careful, though. Be careful. You got this. Cheer him on. All right. Wow. Awesome. Wow. Good for him. Good for him. Yeah. Guys, when I was growing up, skateboarding was just starting to come out. There he goes again. I had a Walmart, not even a Walmart, I think it was a Kmart or an Ames blue plastic skateboard. We didn't have helmets. We didn't have elbow pads. We didn't have any of that safety stuff that they do nowadays. But I think that's just cool. Anyways, check it out. Like I said, they are still doing construction up through here, but donated by the locals, donated by the local groups. Pretty cool that they do this, you know, for the local community here.